Okay, stop killing Brady. Come, leave Brady alone. Brady does not like, like me. I'll choke you up, man. Oh, hey, no, why? Don't bite Brady. I'm gonna get him now. I'll get him for you, Brady. I'll kill this dog right here. What? I'll choke him out. I'll choke him out. Oh, no, don't come. Inside of that, you silly. Thor only knows one speed. He doesn't know anything in between. Yeah. See? Look at her. She's getting off the damn thing. She ain't gonna get involved in that. Come on, Brady. Alright, is that enough? Yeah. Stop, you psycho. Come on, psycho, let's go again. Oh yeah, well he is out of breath because he's a nut. So Brady goes too fast for this corner. And I'm afraid that somebody's going to be on the other side of the corner and we're going to come around it at 20 miles an hour and have a situation. So I go on the street. See? Now if these folks were on the corner here, it would have been real bad. I haven't had it happen, but it could. So I'm careful. Morning. You ready to go on the sidewalk, Sniffer? I mean, he still gets up going. I like the sidewalk better, even though it is louder, because it's probably easier on his paws than the pavement. bumpier ride for me, but that's okay. I got the off-road one here. Although it needs new wheels, I gotta get some new wheels. They're expensive, $65 for